Here is a wonderful 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This sleek MKZ is the antidote to today's hectic world. With quietly powerful performance, touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assist features, a lush interior, and impeccably tasteful styling, this four-door luxury sedan delivers the calm you crave. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Hold the key to confidence and style. Get into this extraordinary MKZ. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.